Hello viewers, welcome back to School with Web. Today I'm going to talk to you about the global gender pay gap. So let's, first of all, I have a question for you. Do you know what is gender pay gap? If you know, so comment down. Now I'm going to talk to you about what is the gender pay gap. It can refers to the average difference earning between the man and woman. And women, on average, they can earn less than men. This difference can observed by every industry and country. So let's talk about why it is important. So first thing is economically, because there are many people like women, they have independence and also they can contribute to poverty, especially for the women who are older and a single mother. And also on sociality, let's take an example of the gender pay gap to continue stereotype about women's role in society, and also to access means do unequal access, and also in which the career opportunities and also the role of achievements. And let's talk about what is the purpose of this presentation. First thing, to examine the sectors effect contributing to the gender pay gap, and second thing is that the comparison between the countries gender pay gaps in regions and some countries. So let's first talk about global overview of the gender pay gap. According to the International Labor Organization ILO, they are 16%. The global gender gap is around 16%, especially for women. They can earn 16% less than men. Yes, and also there are many countries like for who have a high income gap, like India and the America. They have 10 to large income gap. And also nowadays the women have already participation in many workforce in which they have very limitation participation on it. And let's talk about now sector's contribution to the gender pay gap. In the starting, most of the time what happen, most of the women are try to concentrating in low paying sectors. Let's take an example of like healthcare, education, and also in social issues. But whereas the men dominate high income sectors like technology, finance, and also there are many things in engineering. And most of the time, as we know, women may be earn less than men, but there is most of the time because of the biasness of promotions and participation. And most of the time, what happen nowadays, women have kind of barrier to reach the tops, in which participation in the do any kind of thing in the business in any other things. And also it has main thing. Now I'm going to talk to you about it. Just it's a 16% in the global. Now let's talk about some countries where it is going on gender pay gap by region. First of all, in Europe Union, in which 14% of the women are who are the working, but they can earn less money. But it is now going decrease like a hide. Why? Because there are many countries in the Europe like and Iceland, Norway, Sweden, in which what is happening? They are on the top, and they are the leader of equality in gender. That's why the thing which I said about 14% of the women who are earn less money as compared to boy, it can hide. And let's talk about our country, India, in which 20 to 30% of the women are earn the money less as comparison to the man. And this can depend on the industries. And let's talk about our neighboring country, China, in which what is happening on, there are many women who are representing their self in workforce, but what is going on, they are still earning money very less. Yes, they also earn 23% of the money as comparison to the boys. So that's for today. Like, share, subscribe our channel. We'll move it soon with new and interesting topic.